में, मैं भारत हूँ, भारत है मुझ में, मैं ताकत हूँ, ताकत है मुझ में।
हम भारत को नतमस्तक है, हम योद्धा के दो हस्तक है।
हम भारत भाग्य विधाता है, हम भारत के मतदाता है। मतदान मतदान देने जाएंगे, भारत के लिए, भारत के लिए।
আমি ভারতবর্ষ ভারত আমাতে, আমি শক্তি ধরি शक्ती आमाते। मी भारत आहे, भारत माझ्यात आहे, मी ताकत आहे, ताकत माझ्यात आहे। मतदान मतदान करण्या जाऊ चला, भारतासाठी, भारतासाठी। सत्यं भारत शिवं भारत,
भक्ति भारत शक्ति भारत।
रौनक बहारा गुलिस्तान भारत,
हर जन का कल्याण भारत।
मतदान मतदान देने जाएंगे, भारत के लिए, भारत के लिए।
હું ભારત છું, ભારત છે મુજમાં, હું તાકત છું, તાકત છે મુજમાં।
An auspicious and pleasant morning to Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my lovely juniors and seniors. My name is Karan Joshi. I'm a student of class 11 Science, and today I stand here as a candidate for one of the most prestigious positions of our school, that is the head boy. First of all, I would like to tell you about my beliefs. I believe that leadership is not about popularity, but it is about discipline, responsibility, and the ability to support others when they are in need. As a student of a rainbow, I have learned that we need to stay sincere, respectful, and the importance of teamwork and communication is very important. It is also necessary to set up a good example for juniors and our classmates alike. And no, I'm not here to promise unrealistic promises and funny promise. I am here to promise dedication, hard work, and opportunities. If given the opportunity, I would like to help all of my fellow Rainbowites. I will always listen to our Rainbowites, maintain discipline, and work closely with our teachers to cultivate the best results. Now coming to my symbol, that is the torch. The torch represents light, guidance, responsibility, and benevolence. In the moment of utter despair and darkness, I would like to be the torch of my school. Similarly, I would like to be a leader who guides and supports and inspires students to move forward with confidence and motivation. The torch isn't just a symbol for an election, but rather an epitome of unity, progress, and a brighter future of our school. Remember, Rainbowites, I'll be the light and you will be our prism. Together we make our rainbow. Vote for the torch, vote for the progress, and obviously vote for Karan.
A very warm and pleasant morning to respected Chairperson Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Abhijit Kharkwal, a student of class 11 Science. Today I am standing before you as a candidate for the position of head boy. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude for this opportunity to address you all. A school is not just a place to study. It is a place where we learn discipline, leadership, teamwork and responsibility. Leadership is not about being above others. It is about standing with others. I may not promise perfection, but I do promise honesty, hard work, and commitment. I want to become a bridge between students and teachers so that together we can create a positive, friendly, and motivating environment in our school. Your support and trust will
Good morning, everyone. My name is Siddhik Kandari, and I feel proud to be nominated as the head boy. And many candidates make big promises, but I don't. I make promises which are possible, such as I promise dedication, hard work, and respect. I believe that head boy is not someone who only speaks well, but someone who listens and helps others and leads by example. My election symbol is rocket, which represents growth, progress, and aiming higher. I want all of us to aim higher and achieve heights like rocket. I request all of you to choose leadership over loud promises, choose honesty over fake commitments, and cast your valuable vote at the right place, the rocket. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
A very wonderful morning to one and all present over here. I am Bhumika Sanal of Class 11 Science. Today I stand before you as a nominee for the position of head girl, carrying a symbol that symbolizes my vision, the bulb. The bulb is not just an object that gives light. It stands for ideas, identification and innovation. I believe a true leader is someone who brings new ideas, identifies the strength of others, and work towards positive change. I will not give any fake promises to anyone for anything, but I will try my best to help everyone and be responsible. So please make fair decision because your vote is valuable. Let us continue to aim high, act wisely and achieve success. Thank you.
A very warm and auspicious morning to Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers and my fellow students. I am Arpana Nagar Koti, a student from 11th Science, today standing beside you with hope and confidence and an opportunity to serve my school as your head girl with utmost integrity. Today I am not here simply to ask for your vote but for support and hope. My election symbol is tree, which symbolizes unity and growth. A tree stands stood in every season and continues to grow and help others to grow. I would like to end my speech with a slok. Vikas tasya phalam, which means unity is the root of tree, but success is the growth. But growth is its fruits. These words properly symbolizes my vision for our school. Leadership is all about responsibility and kindness. If you want a head girl who will listen to your problems and stand beside you in your every ups and downs, so vote for me, vote for tree. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
A very warm and wonderful morning to respected Chairperson Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear schoolmates. This is Himakshi Sharma from Class 10th, contesting for the position of House Captaincy of Achievers House. As we all know that our house motto is aim, act and achieve, and I believe these three words perfectly define how leadership should be. Having a goal, taking the initiative and achieving success together as a team. According to me, a badge does not make someone a leader, but how that person holds its responsibilities, supports others and represents its team is what truly matters. I believe leadership is not just about holding a position, but about standing with your team in every situation. I'm not here to give big speeches or make big promises because I believe action speaks louder than words. I don't want Achievers House students to participate in activities just for the sake of participation, but I want our house to stand out not only through achievements, but also through teamwork, discipline and house spirit. And yes, every candidate standing here is capable in their own way. But if you want someone who's responsible, approachable, determined and slightly less boring than others, then you definitely know whom to vote for. Now the most important point, my election symbol. It is a chess knight because the knight, just like in chess, the knight does not move forward blindly, but it always makes the right moves smartfully, thoughtfully for the entire team. If I will be a captain, then I will dedicate myself for the house duties. If you believe me, then vote for me. Thank you.
Good morning, Chairperson Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my friends. My name is Kriti Adhikari, student of class 9th. Today I am standing here because I want your support. I am nominated as the Determinus House Captain. I would firstly like to thank my school for providing me this opportunity. I will make the best use of my opportunity if I will become the Determinus House Captain. Together we can make our house better than earlier. Together we can make our house unbeatable. Imagine the thrill of victory, the bond of teamwork and the pride in our achievements. I am not forcing you to vote for me. If you want me to become your house captain, so please vote for me. I am not promising anything to you. I will become the house captain, so I will make you to do anything that you want, whatever. Today, I am standing here because I want your support. So please support me, and my logo is trophy. I have grabbed my logo trophy because the pride of getting the badge of house captain is like a trophy. The winning of the badge is like a next level fun. So please support me and vote.
So
Good morning. So today we are here after voting for our respective candidates in Rainbow Academy. So, how do you feel after casting your vote?
I'm feeling very proud after casting my vote, and I hope so that the person whom I have voted for wins.
Thank you for your words. Next we have Jayant Bhatt from 12th Science. To whom you have voted for and why?
I have given vote to Ritik Kandari because I think he has so many leadership quality and he can handle pressure very easily and can motivate other students for coming ahead in stage.
Wonderful words. Thank you. Now this is Abhijit Karagwal from class 11th Science. How do you feel after casting your vote today?
Yeah, it feels quite magnificent after casting my vote to my desired candidate. It was good to have democratic elections in our school, and yeah, it was impressive.
Thank you for your words. This is Arpana Nagarkoti from class 11th Science. What qualities do you expect from a good leader?
From a good leader, I expect that he or she supports their fellow students in their ups and downs and motivate others too. Thank you.
Thank you.
जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, आज रेनबो एकेडमी में विविध पदों के उम्मीदवारों के लिए मतदान प्रक्रिया संपन्न कराई जा रही है। तो आइए अब हम अपने साथियों से जानते हैं कि उन्हें मतदान प्रक्रिया में भाग लेकर कैसा अनुभव किया। तो अविका, आपने मतदान प्रक्रिया में भाग लेकर कैसा अनुभव किया?
मुझे इस मतदान प्रक्रिया में भाग लेकर अत्यंत खुशी मिली क्योंकि मुझे अपने पसंदीदा उम्मीदवार को चुनने का खुद से मौका मिला।
भार्गव, आपने अपने उम्मीदवारों का चयन किन आधारों पर किया?
सबसे पहले हमने सारे उम्मीदवारों का भाषण सुना, उससे हमें पता चला कि सारे उम्मीदवार अपने काम को लेकर कितने पक्के हैं। उस विचार से मैंने सारे उम्मीदवारों को चुना।
धन्यवाद। तो अब हमारे साथ है क्षितिज। तो आपने इस चुनाव से क्या प्रेरणा ली?
मैंने इस चुनाव से ये प्रेरणा ली कि हमें अपने उम्मीदवारों को बुद्धि सूझबूझ से चुनना चाहिए ताकि वो हमारे लिए अच्छा कार्य कर पाए।
धन्यवाद।
जहां हर वोट एक नई दिशा तय करता है, वहीं से मैं दर्शन सिंह नेगी आज रेनबो अकेडमी सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल में आयोजित सीनेट काउंसिल चुनाव की महत्वपूर्ण झलकियां प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूं। आज दिनांक 14 मई 2026 को विद्यालय परिसर में सीनेट काउंसिल चुनाव की मतदान प्रक्रिया सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हुई। कक्षा 8वीं से लेकर 12वीं तक के छात्र छात्राओं ने पूरे उत्साह, जिम्मेदारी और अनुशासन के साथ अपने मताधिकार का प्रयोग किया और जो मतदान प्रक्रिया थी वो नियुक्त शिक्षकों एवं विद्यालय प्रशासन के देखरेख में सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हुई। सभी विद्यार्थियों ने निर्धारित नियमों का पालन करते हुए शांतिपूर्वक अपने मताधिकार का प्रयोग किया। मतदान के दौरान निष्पक्षता, पारदर्शिता और अनुशासन का पूरा ध्यान रखा गया। मतदान के पश्चात कुछ विद्यार्थियों से एग्जिट पोल वार्ता भी की गई, जिसमें उन्होंने बताया कि मतदान से उन्हें क्या सीख मिली तथा छात्र नेतृत्व के महत्व के बारे में उन्हें अपने विचार प्रकट किए। विद्यार्थियों ने बताया कि यह मतदान प्रक्रिया उन्हें एक अच्छा और जिम्मेदार प्रतिनिधि को चुनने का चयन करने का अवसर प्रदान करती है तथा लोकतंत्र के मूल्यों को वैवाहिक रूप से समझने में सहायता करती है। इस आयोजन ने विद्यार्थियों में छात्र नेतृत्व, निर्णय लेने की योग्यता तथा लोकतंत्र को समझने में सहायता प्रदान करी तथा इससे छात्रों के बीच अपने अच्छे जिम्मेदार प्रतिनिधि को चुनने में सीख मिली। अंततः यह आयोजन विद्यार्थियों के लिए एक प्रेरणादायक अनुभव सिद्ध हुई, जिससे उन्हें लोकतंत्र के महत्व को समझने में और एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक बनने में प्रेरित किया है। इसी संदेश के साथ मैं दर्शन सिंह नेगी आज अपनी रिपोर्ट समाप्त करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Democracy begins with participation, and today our school has witnessed it in action. I, Barkha Pandey, speaking from the election ground. The voting for the Senate Council election in Rainbow Academy Senior Secondary School is now successfully conducted on 14th of May 2026. In the school premises, the students of classes 8 to 12 actively participated with great enthusiasm and responsibility. The polling was also conducted in a very organized manner under the supervision of our assigned teachers and our duty members. An exit poll interaction was also conducted with few students after the voting process to understand their views regarding the democratic process or the voting process and the importance of student leadership among the students. Students expressed their excitement and their thoughtful opinion about selecting a very responsible representative for the school council. The entire process promoted leadership qualities, decision-making skills, and the importance of leadership and among the students or the democratic value among the students. And with that, the voting process conducted successfully with the cooperation and active participation from both the teachers and students. Thank you.
video, like, share and subscribe our channel.